Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Gorilla hail to hit United States. Some of the severe storms that have hit the Midwest United States this spring have brought gorilla hail back into the conversations about the weather. Just this week, when the thunderstorms ripped through the Iowa on Tuesday, spawning a tornado, a system produced large chunks of the hail, also known as gorilla hail, which were among the main threats to the state, according to the Des Moines Register, part of the USA Today network. But once the severe weather threat passes, some people are left wondering about this weather phenomenon. Storm chases, including AccuWeather's Reed Timmer on X, warned that the gorilla hail and the tornadoes pose the severe weather threat Tuesday. Gorilla hail is a word to describe large hail, said a meteorologist for the National Weather Service. Gorilla-sized hail is considered 2 inches in diameter or greater. Severe thunderstorms can produce hail at least the size of a quarter or as large as tennis ball and are accompanied by the 58 miles per hour winds or more, according to the NWS. In early April, the phenomenon was reported in the parts of Oklahoma and Kansas where the storm ripped through the area. Residents said the chunks of the ice that pelted the states were nearly the size of the softballs and the range from 3 to 4 inches. And senior meteorologist at the AccuWeather said gorilla hail was given its name because of the potential it has to become so big. Even if the hail is smaller than gorilla hail, it can still shatter windows and send glasses and debris into your home. To avoid that, the State Farm Insurance agent recommends closing windows, blinds and curtains during the hailstorm to help reduce flying debris. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.